Can you guess in which states a real estate agent makes the most amount of money? The answer is New York. Based on a study done this year, an average salary of a real estate professional in New York is about $109,000? Are you kidding me? Alright. Big mistake. Maybe wait till the peaceful protests are over. Alright, so you're wondering how much money a real estate professional can really make. So here's 14-year-old me and how I imagine running my own business would be like.
Throwing money in the air like I don't really care.
Hey, it doesn't hurt to dream. Alright, let's get serious. We're gonna quickly break down the process of how real estate agents make their money. Based on Zillow, the median home price in Washington state is about $429,000. Now to make things simple, let's just go with $400,000. An agent will typically make 3% in commissions off of the amount that the house is sold for. 3% of $400,000 is $12,000. Now you're probably thinking, let's break things down a bit just to show you how much of the $12,000 you will actually net. I'm going to use my brokerage firm as an example. So let's say you close your very first deal. 30% of your commission right away goes to the office. As a new agent, you're often given a productivity coach who kind of keeps track of what you do. They make sure you don't make any mistakes, and they also take 10% of the cut. A lot of new agents will also join real estate teams for even more intensive training. That means you would split an additional 50 to 70%, but let's just say you went with the productivity coach. You are left with 60%. That is $7,200 of the original $12,000 commission. We're not quite done yet. You also have your taxes, your marketing costs, maybe you paid for a photographer staging a house. So let's say you have about $6,000 left over. That is half of the commission that you thought you would earn. On top of that, you have your monthly office dues, your NAR and MLS dues, your continued education classes, the list goes on. Those are the things that you're paying for to make sure that your license stays active. Now keep in mind, many brokerage firms offer different things. Some might have lower splits but higher monthly dues. Some might have lower monthly dues but higher transaction fees for every deal that you close. Overall, you now kind of have an idea of what a real estate agent could make for a median price home here in Washington state. A new agent who gets licensed will have a choice of which brokerage firm they want to work with. The company I chose to work with is Keller Williams, and the reason I went with them, even though it seems like they take a pretty big split of my commission, is because they have the best atmosphere, they have amazing technology, and most importantly, they offer the best training. If you're interested in getting your real estate license or you have some questions for me, make sure you leave a comment below and I'll definitely get back to you. If you want to know what it takes to get your real estate license, click on this video right here. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you click the like button if you found the video helpful, and make sure you subscribe, that way you don't miss my upcoming videos. I will see you next week.